Yes!
Easy reading. Phonics. Workout number 7. Slide 1. The first column. Vision. Television. Illusion. Revision. The second column. Decision. Occasion. Confusion. Explosion. Now, you try. Slide 2. The first column. Passion. Session. Mission. Omission. The second column. Profession. Impression. Pension. Tension. Now, you try. Slide 3. The first column. Run. Sun. Gun. The second column. Bun. Fun. Done. Now, you try. Slide 4. The first column. But. Cut. Hut. The second column. Nut. Tut. Shut. Now, you try. Slide 5. The first column. Bug. Mug. Jug. The second column. Hug. Rug. Plug. Now, you try. Slide 6. The first column. Gum. Hum. Drum. The second column. Sum. Tum. Yum. Now, you try. Slide 7. The first column. Clap. Clean. Click. Cliff. The second column. Clock. Cloud. Clown. Club. Now, you try. Slide 8. The first column. Crab. Crayon. Cream. Crib. The second column. Cross. Crow. Crown. Cry. Now, you try. Slide 9. The first column. Lock. Rock. Sock. Neck. The second column. Kick. Pick. Stick. duck. Now, you try. Slide 10. The first column. Jacket, pocket, rocket, bucket. The second column. Nickname, necklace, duckling, stocking. Now, you try. Slide 11. The first column. Color, labor, favor, flavor. The second column. Honor, harbor, neighbor, behavior. Now, you try. Slide 12. The first column. Beer, peer, leer, cheer. The second column. Deer, reindeer, career, engineer. Now, you try. Slide 13. The first column. Here, mere, cashmere. The second column. Severe, sincere, sphere. Now, you try. Slide 14. The first column. Fork, corn, form, storm. The second column. Port, sport, short, north. Now, you try. Slide 15. The first column. Girl, bird, first, firm. The second column. Skirt, shirt, third, 30. Now, you try. Slide 16. The first column. Fur, burn, turn, nurse. The second column. Purple, turtle, turkey, Thursday. Now, you try. Slide 17. The first column. Her, heard, germ, term. The second column. Nerve, serve, verse, verb. Now, you try.